What's going on, y'all? This your boy Stock Holiday, right back at you again with another hot video, bringing you the latest and the greatest of all the updates in this cryptocurrency market. Now, do your boy a quick favor and hit that like button. Now, do me one more favor and hit that subscribe button. We got some hot topics to discuss today. We got some awesome stuff that we will be getting into. But first, let's do a little bit of housekeeping. Currently, Bitcoin is back at $69,000. We know earlier today we had another one of those flash crashes where Bitcoin dipped down to $66,000. It always gets scary when Bitcoin dip. A lot of folks start to panic. My phone start to ring. People asking me what's going on. Should I sell all my plays right now? Is it going? How far is it going to go? Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is very volatile. And if this is your first time, if this is your first cycle, it can get scary. That's why I suggest everybody come on over there, join the Patreon, where you can have a large community and folks who can bounce different ideas. Some folks have been in the cryptocurrency market longer than others, so you can have someone that can hold your hand and help guide you through the wilderness. But Bitcoin have been making higher highs over the past week. We know the first time was about a week ago. Bitcoin made its first all-time high and got to $70,000. Immediately after that, Bitcoin had a flash crash. It started to dip. Folks were scared. Bitcoin recovered immediately. It showed excellent strength. It went back up to $72,000. Lasted there for like 2 days. Everybody was happy. Then it had another flash crash. It dipped down, causing panic as always, and it bounced back again very quick, went back to 73,000. And lo and behold, this morning we had another dip from that 73,000 and it went down to $66,000, which was a lot of folks panicked. They was frightened about that 66,000 mark, but these are just flash crashes along the way. Bitcoin did bounce back. It was getting back to the 70,000s. As you can see right now, we're 69,700. So Bitcoin is showing great resiliency, but you have to understand, even in a bull market, there will be times to where cryptocurrency and Bitcoin will have cool-off periods. So those cool-off periods are healthy corrections. That's just part of the process, part of the journey, heading to the mountaintop, heading up to and through this parabolic stage that we are in the midst of. So just continue to dollar cost average in, trust the plays that you're in. When you see these flash crashes, those are opportunities to buy those dips. And it seems like these flash crashes are not lasting a long period of time. So the window of opportunities are closing very quick. The flash crashes are quick. You don't have a lot of time to make a decision and find out what coin to buy. So when you see these dips, when you see this thing drop down to 65, 66, 64,000, man, you better find your favorite altcoins, and that's a great time for you to dollar cost average into your plays. When you see them red, when you see them plays beat down 15%, 17%, 20%, man, buy the plays. Trust the process, trust the cycle that we're in, buy the dip, and you will be thanking me in 12 months from this particular period. But let's get into the main topic of discussion. The main topic of discussion are meme coins. Meme coins have been running wild. They have been running rampant. And the main catalyst for these meme coins is Solana ecosystem. The Solana ecosystem have been producing so many meme coins throughout this new Bitcoin cycle that we're in the midst of. That's why Solana will be one of the most prominent and dominant coins of this particular cycle. Solana will surpass Binance Coin BNB to take the number 4 spot, and it will be challenging Tether to take that number 3 spot. Then it will be eyeing up Ethereum to see what it can do with Ethereum. But Solana is a great coin for you to hold. According to the charts, according to the actual market that we're in, we're seeing that meme coins will be one of the most focused and dominant lanes in this particular market. A lot of folks are saying AI, some saying gaming. Those two markets will probably fare well also, but for some reason this meme coin sector seems to be very aggressive, seems to be very prominent. So always pay attention to what the market is telling you. Pay attention to what the market is showing you. And right now it's showing us that the meme coins are dominating. The meme coins are one of the sectors that you do want to take a look in. The meme coins are very risky, so you don't want to have a lot of your portfolio staged into the meme coins. But my God, these meme coins are making folks rich, and we have just started the bull market. We're still 34 days away from the Bitcoin halving, and you're hearing about folks becoming millionaires off of the various meme coins. So it's definitely something for you to pay attention to. The way I play the meme coins, I put a little bit of skin in the game, and that's all it takes. If you get into a meme coin and go 1,000x, then something like that can really change your life. Something like that can really place your portfolio in a excellent position to help you continue to dominate this upcoming cycle. Now, the new meme coin, this meme coin just dropped yesterday. It seemed like every day there's a new doggone meme coin. This meme coin is called BOME. It's the book of meme coins. Now, this meme coin was started by something called Dark Farms from Twitter. But, these meme coins are started from so many random different things that, all it takes is for a little bit of popularity for those things to catch on. And just like that, this BOME, Book of Meme Coins, have caught wildfire. It was came out yesterday. That was the first day. And, man, if you look at it today, this thing done already did a 10x in one day. Now, if you take a look at CoinMarketCap, you can see that the tokenomics are not verified. You can see that the market cap is not verified, so we really don't have a solid gauge as to where this play is particularly sitting. A lot of the meme coins, you'll see that the market caps are not verified, so that's why the gamble in these plays are so large. But it's a high risk, high reward type play. Like me, I like to put a couple of $100 in there. If I lose a couple of $100, I'm cool with it, but I know those couple of $100 can turn to a lot of thousands of dollars if that particular meme coin really catch flame. Like I say, imagine had you put $100, $200 in Shiba Inu when it first came out, you would be having billions of dollars. So that's all it takes is a little bit of patience, and it take more so a lot of luck to get into the right meme coins. Because like I say, there's so many meme coins on the Solana ecosystem. So who knows which one is going to be that one to do that 1,000x. And you can find these coins on the DEX, the decentralized exchanges. These coins are not on COINBASE. These coins are not on the traditional centralized exchanges. You're not going to find them on crypto.com. You're not going to find them on Binance. You have to go to the underground, to the decentralized exchanges, stuff like the Soulflare wallet, the Radium, the Phantom wallet, so forth and so on. It's like an underground thing that Solana got going on, to where they just have a variety, a host of meme coins, to where they seem to be strong, they seem to be ripping. So, if you time it right and you play it right, you can make exponential gains playing with these doggone meme coins. And as you can see, Solana is benefiting from these meme coins. A lot of the plays were beat down yesterday. A lot of the plays was beat down today. But you see what coin that was staying green? Solana. Solana's continued to keep its head up. It's continued to spit out green candles. You better have some Solana in your portfolio also, because Solana will do real well this coming cycle. Book of Meme Coins, we seen that coin came out yesterday, instantly caught flame. Instantly the popularity is through the roof. Maybe it's because the popularity of this Dark Farms situation from Twitter, to where the Book of Meme Coins, will they be telling creepy stories? Would they be telling suspense type stories going on? Who knows? I mean, this thing can really evolve into a thing. Just like Me Lady Meme Coin, we know that was from Charlotte Fang. Charlotte Fang was one of the popular social media individuals out there, and Me Lady Meme Coin took on its own person by having a relative connection with Charlotte Fang and her situation that she got going on and her popularity. So that's all it takes is for one of these coins to take on the popularity of something that's popular, something that's famous right now. We've seen the Donald Trump coin. The Donald Trump coin went bonkers. That thing did a lot of multipliers. Had you got into the Donald Trump coin when it was first released, you would probably not be watching this video because you would already be a cryptocurrency millionaire. So this cycle is different than the others. This cycle is very aggressive. This cycle is very advanced. As you can see, we've seen Bitcoin hit $73,000 last week. Nobody expected that. Nobody could have predicted that Bitcoin would be at such high levels at this point in time, to where we're 34 days away from the Bitcoin halving. But like I say, always pay attention to what your coins are telling you. Bitcoin have been showing us that it has been showing great resiliency over the past week, taking the dips and bouncing right back out of it, having these various flash crashes. It dipped, it went to 70,000, it took a dip, went to 72,000, took a dip, went to 73,000. This morning it took a dip to 66,000. Now we're wondering what we're going to see this weekend. Will we see 74,000? Will we see 75,000? This is some exciting times that we are in the midst in. Hopefully you guys are as excited as your boy. My portfolio is set. My portfolio is ready. Now I'm just sitting back and I'm waiting for the flash crashes. Every time a flash crash happens, I'm picking up my phone, opening up my app, and I am dialing in, making a play, adding to my portfolio. Maybe it's a new position, a play that I had been looking at, and now I finally see it in my buying zone. Then I see it's down 15, 20%. Those are buying opportunities to me. I love buying coins when they are red, when they're on sale, because when they bounce back, then you see your overall position on that play will be sitting in green. Just that quick, just that easy. So just continue to learn how to dominate this market. Take everything that the market is showing you. Do not try to overthink the process. Keep it simple. And like I said, if you need somebody to guide you, to hold your hand along the way, come on over there and join us in the Patreon. We would love to see you over there. And like I always say, now get out there and do it to your service and don't get nervous. It's your boy Stock Holiday, and I'm out.